Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new slide layout in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here a slide. Now we want to create new slide layout. Firstly, insert some slide. Now we can see here some slide. Now I am insert slide. We can see here the second slide. Now we want to create new layout. Click right button on our mouse and select the layout option. We can see here many layouts. You can change the layout to this option. Now I am change the layout picture with caption option. We can see here the layout is changed. You can add picture. Select this picture icon and add any picture from your file. Now I'm add a picture. Otherwise you can add title. Select this add title option and add your title. You can click add text. Now I am add some text. Then go to the another slide. Now I am again change the layout or create new layout to this option. Otherwise you can create new layout another way. Go to the home menu, click the layout drop down menu. We can see here many layout. Now I am select the title only layout. We can see here the title only. Then click inside the text box and write your title. Now we can see we create a new slide layout very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.